Greetings everyone. In this video, we will be focusing on the function of the nephrons in our kidneys. For those who haven't seen the previous video regarding the introduction of the urinary system, I have included the link in the description for your convenience. Without further ado, let us begin our discussion. Did you know that our kidneys are incredibly complex and fascinating organs? One of the most important components of the kidney is the nephron, which acts as the functional unit of the entire system. It's truly amazing to think that each of us has 1 million nephrons hard at work in our bodies. The nephron is made up of two main components, the glomerulus and the renal tubule. These two structures work in tandem to filter and process the blood that passes through the kidneys, removing waste and excess fluids from the body. It's incredible to think about all of the intricate processes that take place within the nephron. From the complex filtering mechanisms of the glomerulus to the intricate reabsorption and secretion processes of the renal tubule, the nephron plays a crucial role in keeping our bodies healthy and functioning properly. So next time you think about your kidneys, take a moment to appreciate the amazing work that your 1 million nephrons are doing to keep you healthy and happy. The renal corpuscle is a crucial part of nephrons and plays a vital role in filtration. It creates a glomerular filtrate by passing blood through specialized podocytes and fenestrated capillaries in the glomerulus. This filtration process efficiently removes water, electrolytes, glucose, amino acids, and waste products like urea and creatinine, effectively initiating urine production. The filtrate then moves into Bowman's capsule and renal tubules for further processing, ensuring that the waste products are efficiently eliminated from the body. Additionally, the efferent arteriole diameter is smaller than that of the afferent arteriole, creating a relatively high blood pressure in the glomerulus, which is critical for maintaining the filtration process. Deep within the intricate network of the human kidney lies a fascinating system of tiny tubes and loops, each with a specific role to play in maintaining the delicate balance of the body's fluids and electrolytes. The proximal convoluted tubule, with its tiny finger-like projections, deftly reabsorbs vital nutrients and ions from the glomerular filtrate, ensuring that nothing is wasted and the body's vital functions are maintained. The loop of Henle, with its descending and ascending limbs, is a true marvel of design, allowing for the passive reabsorption of water and the active reabsorption of ions, all the while establishing a critical concentration gradient in the kidney medulla. And let us not forget the distal convoluted tubule, the master regulator of the body's acid-base balance, secreting hydrogen ions and reabsorbing bicarbonate ions with ease. This segment is always ready to respond to the body's needs, adjusting water and electrolyte levels with the help of powerful hormones like aldosterone and antidiuretic hormone. Finally, the collecting duct, the ultimate fine-tuner of urine concentration, receives the precious fluid from multiple nephrons and knows exactly how much water to reabsorb based on the body's hydration status. It is a true marvel of engineering, capable of producing either concentrated or dilute urine, depending on the body's needs. All of these tiny tubes and loops work together in perfect harmony to keep the body's fluids and electrolytes in balance, a true testament to the incredible complexity and beauty of the human body. Did you know that there are two types of nephrons in our kidneys? The cortical nephrons are the ones that are located in the outer region of the kidney, while the juxtamedullary nephrons are located near the junction of the cortex and medulla. These two types of nephrons have different structures and functions. The cortical nephrons are like the guardians of electrolyte balance, blood pressure, and waste filtration. They have a shorter loop of Henle and their glomeruli are positioned closer to the kidney surface. By reabsorbing water and essential nutrients back into the bloodstream and secreting waste products into the urine, they play a crucial role in producing urine with a moderate concentration. On the other hand, the juxtamedullary nephrons are like the superheroes of water conservation and adaptation to varying hydration levels. They have a long loop of Henle that extends deep into the medulla, creating a strong osmotic gradient in the kidney. This allows for significant reabsorption of water and the concentration of solutes in the medulla, leading to the production of hypertonic urine when necessary. So, the next time you have a glass of water, you can thank your juxtamedullary nephrons for being the water-saving heroes of your body, and your cortical nephrons for being the diligent guardians of your electrolyte balance and blood pressure. Filtration is like a sieve that separates the good stuff from the bad stuff in our blood. This happens in the kidney, where blood is pumped through tiny capillaries, called the glomerulus. The pressure in the glomerulus forces water, nutrients, and waste products out of the blood and into a cup-shaped structure called Bowman's capsule. This fluid is called the glomerular filtrate, and it's like blood plasma, but without the big proteins and cells. Reabsorption is like recycling the good stuff that was filtered out of the blood. The glomerular filtrate enters the proximal convoluted tubule, PCT, where cells with tiny hair-like projections called microvilli suck up nutrients like glucose and amino acids. Water, sodium, and chloride are also reabsorbed into the bloodstream. The loop of Henle helps to concentrate solutes in the medulla by actively reabsorbing ions like sodium, potassium, and chloride. The distal convoluted tubule, DCT, and collecting duct further regulate the reabsorption of water and ions, depending on the body's needs. Secretion is like taking out the trash. Waste products like urea and excess ions are actively transported from the blood into the tubular fluid in the PCT and DCT. The collecting duct also helps to regulate blood pH by secreting hydrogen ions and potassium ions based on the body's needs. Greetings! If you found the video informative, why not spread the word and share it